back to Windy Hill. Today I was planning on doing some more pressure washer sandblasting, hydroblasting, whatever you want to call it. But I've got a leak at my vacuum breaker on my outdoor hydrant. So we're going to fix that first and see how that goes. All right, most homes have got an outdoor hydrant of some type. A lot of them are through the wall like this. They've got a 12-inch tube back inside the house and allows it to be frost free. But over time, we'll get a little trash here in the vacuum breaker, or the gasket may just be bad. And so you develop a leak like that. Water's not supposed to come out around here. So we're going to try to put a stop to that today. And the first thing you want to do is release the pressure. Open up the valve on the hose or whatever. Okay, after you've released the pressure, the first thing you're going to do is pull this cap off. And it doesn't even have to be tight because it's not stopping a leak or anything. It's actually got to be a little bit loose to allow air back in there. And then just in case we've got just some damaged parts in here, like O-ring or the little rubber seal, I'm going to use this little tool. I've seen people use pipe wrenches on them, but you'll mess up the threads because the cap does not screw onto the hydrant. It just screws onto this plastic piece. And they're not generally that tight because they've got an O-ring fit. Got some small pieces in here. And look here, you got a crack here in our little washer, rubber washer. And then, you can see it or not, but the O-ring is shot. So everything else looks to be okay. You know, there's no damage to the plastic parts or anything. This is a little plunger that actually pushes up with pressure and then releases when the pressure goes away to let air into the line to reduce the vacuum. So, like I said, you can see here, that washer is shot. And this O-ring used to be a circle. Now you can buy the whole setup at Lowe's, Home Depot, different places, and you'll get basically these two pieces with new rubber parts on them. But today I'm just going to replace the O-ring. I've got an O-ring kit and I've got some rubber washers. Now since I do a lot of repair work, I've got, as you can see, I got a rubber ring or O-ring assortment, and I've got an assortment of faucet washers. Now all I got to do is find out if I've got the right one. It's probably not true in all cases, but I found the right washer, and this one, most of them will have a number on it. And this one here says 00, and it's a 1/4 S, and it's a perfect fit. Now, like I said, it's got little raised letters and numbers on it, so those have to go on the bottom. You don't want it against the ceiling surface. So anyway, we're good on that, and I replaced the O-ring too. So of course now I got asphalt fingers. But anyway, all right, and that just goes in. The washer up goes together, and we'll put it back in the hydrant, and we should be good to go. Okay, as I said, the little plunger goes in rubber side up, drops right in. And this tightens down. Like I said, it's an O-ring, so don't over tighten it. Snug it just a little bit. And again, I would not use a pipe wrench or anything that's going to cut your threads. Let's see here. No, we got a leak. Alright, I took it back apart and got in there and found some leftover pieces of my O-ring. So cleaned those out, put it back together, and looks like we're in pretty good shape. So there you are. All right, all together that took maybe 10 minutes. So, you know, do you want to make a run to Lowe's or Home Depot and pick up a $4 part and put new in there, or do you, if you've got the parts laying around like I do, it's an easy fix, just took a couple of minutes. So anyway, hopefully this has been helpful to some people. If not, then let us know. See what we can do different next time. All right, thanks for watching.